Welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Alicia. I'm a travel advisor and I create content that deals mainly with travel and lifestyle. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and just tap that little bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I refresh my knotless box braids. I have had these braids in for 2 weeks now and I'm about to go on a little getaway and your girl is not about to take this down, so I'm just going to refresh them. So let me just go ahead and take my hair down so I can show you how it's looking. Okay, so as you can see, yeah, it's looking pretty bad. I do have some product buildup, so I'm going to be washing my hair first and foremost. So to do that, what I always do is I get a spray bottle with some water and I add a few drops of my Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. Guys, I love this soap. I use it for almost everything. So I usually use this if my scalp is really itchy. My scalp is not really itchy today, but because I have the product buildup, then I need kind of a deep cleanse. So I'm just going to be adding a few drops. Just about that much. I'm going to shake it up. So once I'm done, I'm just going to spray this all over my scalp. Like so. So my scalp is completely saturated and I'm not going to be rubbing this or anything. I'm just going to let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse it all out. Okay, so I have completely rinsed out my hair and whew. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to be doing is putting back some moisture in my hair, and for that I'm going to be using the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner by Mielle Organics. So I'm just going to add some of that to my hair. I'm going to be doing this in sections. Just making sure. I'm also going to be running some through my hair. Just making sure that I coat every single strand. So next I'm going to apply some of this moisturizing scalp treatment, also by Mielle Organics. So I'm just going to spritz this all over my scalp. So this is the key step. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be sectioning off just the front of my hair, and I'm going to be using a rat tail comb as well as a little toothbrush and this Super Aqua hair gel wax. This is how it looks. So I'm going to be using that to kind of smooth down the roots of my hair as well as my edges. Okay, so I'm going to be taking a little bit of the hair gel wax and I'm just going to... I prefer to do this when my hair is a little bit dry, but right now I kind of don't have the time. So I'm going to just use the comb and smooth it in. And then I'm going to take the brush and smooth it in even more. So once I've smoothed it in, I'm just going to go ahead and do a little twist. And then I'm just going to tuck that behind my ear and repeat that steps for the other braids. So I've added the edge wax, so I'm almost done. Just going to add some mousse, Smooth and Shine mousse. It's all I have, so that's what we're going to be using today. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to tie my hair. Step is to dry my hair, and I'm going to be using a blow dryer along with this cap. Dip them in hot water, and now I'm just going to wait on them to air dry. And guys, this hair will drip and drip and drip and drip to eternity. So what I always do is to just get a towel like this and wrap it at the end of my hair and just kind of tuck it with a few clips or a hair tie, and this will just stop it from dripping everywhere. Ta-da!